Hello, this is Mother Ego, and I hope everybody's fine. And thank you so much for all the new Ego members that are joining us. Always feel free to ask your questions so we may help you better. Well, today I have a wonderful topic for you, and it is you are the chosen one, and the time is now. Someone asked me a question a while ago. How do I refire myself? Sometimes I feel like time has passed me by. Sometimes others feel maybe they are not well educated, maybe they are too young or too old, or the environment they came from is not the right one. Those are all illusions. The gift in you is good and perfect. It doesn't matter the packaging. You will still be able to make it with what you've got. But you have to believe in yourself. You have to be able to transcend those things that appear as limitations in your life. I'll give you a good example of the guy who started KFC. He started at age 65. He visited thousands of stores, making them try his recipe, and no one would buy it. It took him a thousand and something tries for someone to buy the recipe, and look at us now. We are still enjoying KFC. So it's never too late to start. You're never too young, never too old. This is the right time, the right season, and you are qualified to carry that vision. God will bring partners alongside you so that you may reach your highest calling. Remember, you are made for more. If you have a desire in your heart to do things, it means you are the right person. So don't be discouraged when you see the environment around you has conditioned you to do something else. And that's another thing we really need to overcome. Society has conditioned us on how things should be. And that conditioning maybe at the beginning used to work well, but at some point it may not be serving you anymore. That's why you always have to use the criteria. Is this serving me? Is this working for me, or is it not? If it's not, you find another way to make things work. Otherwise, if you go by the way society has preset things, you may just fail. You are an ego and you're playing around with ducks. You'll be frustrated for the longest time. So I'm encouraging you today, get out that vision, put some steps on it, tangible steps. Let's stop just talking. Let's put tangible steps. Go see the people you need to see. Join the groups you need to join. Write that vision and make it plain, make it clear. Start wherever you are with what you've got. The vision will grow, it will evolve, and partners will come. I always get an example of an escalator. The automatic door. Most of these automatic doors, for example, maybe you're entering into a hotel, you have to get so close for the door to open. It won't open when you're at far distance. So some of the doors you need will not open until you lift your head out of the very low level and lift it somewhere where you can be seen. So I encourage you, put some tangible steps on your vision and keep going one step at a time. It's very interesting when someone says, I want a business, I want a job, and they've never read even one business book. yet they can go maybe to the library or online and download a free book and start learning. So put real initiative. The beggar mentality has to change and has to be transformed, but it's all up to you. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. I'll talk to you soon. Leave your comments below and join our Facebook group. See you. Bye.